Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or archive campaigns in Brevo step by step. This helps you keep your campaigns organized and remove the ones that you no longer need. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything that you need to know to help you master the program step by step. Let's get started. To delete or archive a campaign in Brevo, start by navigating to the left side menu and clicking on the Marketing tab. Now, this will expand into multiple options. From there, click on the Campaigns option to open your campaign dashboard. Once you're on the Campaigns page, you will see a list of all of your email campaigns along with their current status, such as draft, sent, or scheduled. To delete a specific campaign, locate the one that you want to remove and click on the 3-dot menu located on the right side of the campaign. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on the delete option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you if you're absolutely sure that you want to delete the campaign. Click confirm, and the campaign will be permanently deleted from your account. Now, there's another way to delete campaigns directly from the list. Simply click inside the checkbox next to the campaign that you want to remove. Once selected, you'll notice 2 new options appear at the bottom of the page. Select all and delete. Just simply click on delete. Another confirmation pop-up will appear again. Confirm that you want to delete, and the selected campaign will be removed permanently. Now, let's move on to archiving campaigns. Archiving is useful when you don't want to delete a campaign, but you would like to remove it from your main active list. To archive a campaign, go back to the Marketing tab and select Campaigns again. Now, before proceeding, it's important to understand which campaigns can actually be archived. You can only archive campaigns that have the status sent, running, or suspended. Draft campaigns cannot be archived. So let's see how it all works in practice. On your campaigns list, locate a sent campaign and click on those 3 dots right there, the 3-dot menu just next to it. You'll notice that an archive option is available. Click on archive and a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your action. In the pop-up, click on the archive campaign button. Now, once you do that, the campaign will be archived and removed from your main list of active campaigns. Now, if you just want to check your active campaigns, well, then go to the top of the campaigns page where you see the All Statuses drop-down menu. Click on it and then select Archived. You'll now see the campaign you just archived listed underneath this section. If at any point you decide to bring an archived campaign back, you can easily unarchive it. Just find the archived campaign, click on the arrow icon next to the 3 dots, and the campaign will be unarchived and moved back into your active list. And that's it. That's how you can delete or archive campaigns in Brevo. Deleting helps keep your workspace clean, while archiving allows you to store campaigns that you may want to reuse or review later. And if you'd like to learn more about optimizing your Brevo account, check out that link in the description. You'll get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, and you'll get access to our complete Brevo course that walks you through every feature step by step. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.